Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is ItsBreaRochelle. Welcome if you are new here. Welcome back if you've already been here before. We're going to be getting into this purple look. So first thing we're going to do is take the color Play It Cool, which I was obviously trying to do, dealing with the plastic on the front of the screen, and lay that all across our eye. Then I'm going to be taking the color Fired Up and deepening our crease with that one. And you just want to windshield wiper back and forth for it, just so you have a nice transition of colors. Then we are going to take a Red Carpet to deepen that just a little bit more. We want that color to stand out, but be something easily blended. Then we are taking Power Slayer right next to it on the inner and outer corner, because we are going to have a nice halo eye. So going in with my 221 brush, which is a pointed angle brush, a pointed blending brush in Transformer, just to deepen that crease area up. We want to make sure that everything is nice and deep. So we have a super bright color, and somebody decided that he wanted to come visit and say hello to the camera. Heavy. This is my almost 2-year-old right here. And like I said, we want to make that color super dark on the inner and outer corner, just so our halo stands out right in the center. And now I'm just taking a cleaner blending brush and blending all those colors together. And you see him tell me no to kisses? Gotta go after that. Disrespect. So now I'm taking a little LA Girl Pro Concealer and sculpting out where I want that halo to be. So it's more of like a cut crease halo, but I'm not gonna call it a cut crease. I blended pretty well. I just wanted something for my purple on the lid to stand out. So now I'm taking Daredevil. It wasn't exactly what I wanted it to be. So I took Daredevil, and then I decided that it wasn't standing out enough. So you'll see me add another color from the Patrick Starrr by MAC collection. And I'm taking the color Yes and popping that right on top of the lid with a little bit of Fix Plus spray. And that's what I wanted. I wanted that purple to stand out more. And blend those edges, people. Blend those edges. You don't want any harsh lines. So I went in with Transformer and Hydrate. But I went in with Transformer just so I could have that nice transition of color. Now taking the NYX Vivid Brights in Blossom and winging it. Y'all, I was obsessed with this color. Like, if y'all can't tell, this is genuine excitement. Like, it's such a pretty color, and they're so bright. They're so vivid. I was not expecting that. So now just shaping that wing out, taking my time, because like I said, this is a bright color. So you want to make sure it's nice and straight. Now that I've finished that, I'm taking a little bit of that Transformer again and deepening that crease and praise break. Now a little bit of Their Real mascara before I throw my lashes on. and a e.l.f. jumbo pencil in black. I've had this one forever. $2 investment, y'all. Then taking a little bit of Indie Glow Queen and Transformer and sweeping it across the bottom of my lash line just to give it a smoky look. And there we have it. I have on Current with Dodgy Girl Lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. Bye, y'all.